Zebra DS2278 scanner. Game changer or just another barcode toy? Real-world test plus hands-on. Ever felt stuck watching your staff fight outdated barcode scanners like they're wrestlers in a losing match? You know the drill. Misreads, endless rescans, tangled wires, and that one dreaded beep of failure that drains morale faster than a Monday morning. Slow checkouts, lost inventory, and frustrated customers aren't just annoying, they're killing your productivity and profits. If your business relies on quick, accurate scans, and your tools are letting you down, you're not alone. The hidden cost of unreliable tech? It's your time, your energy, and your sanity. Now let's make that pain hit harder. Picture your checkout lines clogging up during peak hours. Workers struggling to align scanners. Customers glaring. The dreaded scene where someone just walks out. Missed sales, wasted hours, and stressed employees, all because your scanner can't handle 21st century demands. Sound familiar? Multiply that chaos across your shifts, and burnout's creeping in. You're losing money, losing customers, and losing your grip, while your tools laugh silently at your suffering. In short, the wrong scanner's bleeding your business dry. Enter the Zebra DS2278SR, your cordless, error-proof, all-day scanning sidekick. This isn't just another barcode reader, it's Zebra's ticket to effortless 1D and 2D scanning with Bluetooth freedom. With a whopping 14 hours of battery life, lightning-fast omnidirectional scanning, and the PRZM imaging engine, your staff's scanning accuracy gets an instant turbo boost. No tricky aiming. No tangled wires. From checkout counters to warehouse racks, the DS2278SR transforms frustration into flow. Zebra's trusted enterprise tech? It's not hype. It's your new competitive advantage. Think smoother workflows, faster checkouts, and workers who aren't ready to throw their scanner at the wall. Whether you're in retail, logistics, or healthcare, this scanner's got you covered, literally. With its ergonomic pistol grip, IP42 protection, Wi-Fi friendly mode, and ultra-durable design, the DS2278 isn't just efficient, it's practically unstoppable. Curious about how this barcode beast works in real life? Watch the full demo now, and see why thousands of businesses trust Zebra to power their operations day after day. Time to upgrade or risk being left behind. Thousands have already swapped clunky scanners for the Zebra DS2278SR, and you should too. Supplies don't last forever, especially on top-rated gear like this. Ready to boost your efficiency and crush those checkout lines? Don't wait. Don't settle. Hit the link, grab your DS2278SR today, and join the barcode revolution that's saving businesses everywhere. Your next sale could depend on it. Let's make every scan count.